How to reset Truist Mobile Banking password. Welcome to our guide on resetting your Truist Mobile Banking password. Truist offers convenient and secure mobile banking services. If you've forgotten your password, then you should not worry. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process to reset it quickly and easily. For this, open your default web browser in your device. In the search bar, search for Reset Truist Banking Password and hit Enter. Tap on the Reset Truist Password Reset link, and in the result list, you'll get the options. On the page, you'll find options like Forgot Your Password and enter your email address followed by your social security number SSN, employer identification number EIN, or individual taxpayer identification number TIN, and use your password. You'll see options like Continue and Cancel. You can tap on Continue. Alternatively, there may be another link provided to reset your password using your Access ID and confirming your email address as well. You'll have to choose Continue again, and that's it. You have successfully initiated the password reset process for your Truist Mobile Banking account. If you have any further questions or queries, then do not hesitate to contact Truist customer service for assistance. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.